Want to enable high graphics settings in Mobile Legends on your Android phone? The process for doing this may seem straightforward, but to get to the best performance, you need to enable some specific settings. So, in this video, I'm going to show them to you. Part 1. Enable high graphics on your game. First, open the Mobile Legends app on your Android phone. Now, tap the settings gear icon in the top right corner. You'll see the basic tab by default. Tap on custom from here. Here, you'll see map quality, model quality, effect quality, etc. Now, choose the highest option your device supports, such as high, ultra, HD, and so on. You can also turn on outlines, shadows, and HD mode for better visuals. Once you're done, go back to the game and the new graphic settings will be applied instantly. Part 2. Enable high graphics on your phone. If you have a mid-range or a flagship phone, you may not know the true power of your phone. There are a few hidden settings on your phone that can truly enhance your gaming experience to another level. To find them, open your settings. Find the About Phone option and tap on it. Now, look for the software information and tap on it. Tap your builder number 7 times. This will enable the developer options. After this, go back to your main settings and search for developer options. Open it. From here, scroll down until you find graphics driver. Tap on it. Now, scroll down this list until you find Mobile Legends Bang Bang. Once found, tap on it. Select System Graphics Driver. After that, go back to developer options again. Scroll down once again until you find Force 4X MSAA. Toggle this option on. This will make your phone force the best FPS it can manage during your gameplay. And that's it. That's how you set high graphics settings in Mobile Legends on your Android device. If this guide helped you out, hit like and subscribe for more quick MLBB tutorials. See you in the next one.